What is up, guys? And today, let me just get the shot set up. We are trying the new fall blizzard, guys. We're gonna try one of the fall blizzards from Dairy Queen today. It is the pumpkin spice blizzard, guys, and admit it, we've all had the classic Oreo blizzard, but have you guys had the pumpkin spice fall blizzard? No, sorry, pumpkin pie blizzard. Guys, we're about to see what the biznatch is all about. And guys, let's just stop the chit chat and get right into it. Alright guys, so we got the spoon here, and let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Very cold. That's so good, dude. Yo. Oh, and by the way, forgot to tell you, there are two different ways you can get the pumpkin pie blizzard. You can get it with whipped cream or without whipped cream, guys. And the taste test, we're just gonna end this video really quickly. 1 through 10. I'm gonna have to give it a 12, man. This is amazing, guys. And anyways, love you. See you guys next time. Peace. 3 out.